Toby, turn around.
Ah, thought you liked that shirt. Anyways, lots of panic in the crypto space. I'm going to cover that, and I'm going to cover what we've experienced in the past. And tomorrow's video, you're not going to want to miss it because I'm going to do a little bit of a deep dive in the corrections during bull markets that we've experienced. Now, this is our fourth bull market. This is just not even a correction in my opinion. We're about 20% down. Just wait. $1.5 billion of liquidated longs just happened over the past 24 hours. So what have I been talking about? Staying out of leverage. Your favorite traders out there are losing their butts pretty much guaranteed. Nobody called this dip, all right? And so a lot of people are like, okay, yeah, alt season's gonna happen now, or Bitcoin's gonna break out right now. It's just not happening, okay? So you just have to relax and realize that whales, when you invite Wall Street on, which is essentially the US government, is owned by Wall Street. If you haven't figured that out now, read Confessions of an Economic Hitman, okay? So now that you know a little bit of history that Wall Street owns the US government and vice versa, it's just pretty much one entity, you invited these people on, and now they are manipulating the market like no other, okay? So when you have ETFs, when you have a Bitcoin reserve, strategic reserve, what do you think governments are going to want to do? Or you think they're going to just let you get super rich without wanting the best prices ever? Exactly, of course not. But in regards to like the overall market, this is normal. But keep in mind, there's been $110 billion was wiped out from the cryptocurrency market over the past 24 hours as well. And that $1.5 billion of leveraged crypto people were gone, like leveraged longs in crypto were gone. Okay, so that's good. The less leverage in crypto, the better. At least Bitcoin, the better. Now, the fear and greed index is at 25, which is an extreme fear. So when there's blood in the streets, you kind of want to buy if you don't have enough coins. Okay, for me and my wife and at learningcrypto.com, you guys know that we've been buying the crap out of the bear market. The bear market, okay? Right now isn't the time to be dollar cost averaging. I'm not dollar cost averaging right now. I'm just chilling because I bought the crap out of the bear market. And while a lot of people were calling for $10,000, I was saying at $16,000, I'm buying. I went crazy at about $20,000, but then it dropped with FTX down to about 15,500. I think my last buy was around $15,900 to $16,000 or something like that. But regardless, that is when you want to be stacking. When everybody hates this space, when everybody loves it, that's kind of the time to chill out. You know what I mean? So everybody thought, okay, we have a new president in. This is great. This is going to make crypto go to $500,000 million. It's never going to go down again. Those guys need to shut up. Seriously, you need to unfollow these people. These people are toxic trash in crypto, okay? There's going to be a bear market. This is just proof. This is just a taste for you guys. It's not a bear market right now, but when the bear market does come, just realize it's going to ravage a lot of people. So if you want to check out learningcrypto.com, you'll be able to see when we are selling, and we've already taken profits. Yes, we've already taken profits. We're chilling. All right. So with that said, here's a good tweet from Tony the Bull on Twitter. He says, a decision will be made soon, which has already happened, in Bitcoin as the daily Bollinger Bands reached the third tightest reading since 2018. And late 2018, record tightness led to a 50% decline in just over a month. In mid-2023, record tightness led to a 200% climb in just over 200 days. He also says, which direction does volatility release? And so for us right now, we shouldn't be worrying about that too much because, you know, we have a lot of demand. We have a very little amount of supply in the market, but we've also invited Wall Street on. So expect them to want cheaper prices. So I would be surprised if we don't get a 30+% drop. sometime during this bull market. Yes, we are in a bull market. And if we do drop from the $109,000 down, 30 to 40%, I would be very surprised, because that would mean this is a very different bull market. That would mean the pullbacks are very shallow. People that are panicking here have never been through a bull market, it seems. I don't think they've ever been through a bull market. Which is strange, because some of the people claim they've been in this space for a long time that have millions of subscribers, and they're panicking. I don't understand it whatsoever. I'm not panicking. I don't really give a crap. So I want you to look at this chart from 2017. The first pullback that we had was 34%. This was during a bull market. The next pullback was 40%. The next pullback was 35%. The next pullback was 37%. The next one was 38%. And then you got a shallow 27%. Guys, we aren't even in the most shallow part of the 2017 bull market correction. It's pathetic, guys. Relax. If you need your hand held, which I know a lot of you have, because you're not used to this much volatility, because you're used to the stock market that has circuit breakers, which means they shut down trading if volatility is too high. Crypto doesn't have any of that, because it's a free market. So this is what you get when you have a free market. It's still in price discovery mode. We're trying to figure out what projects are worth, okay, right now. We're trying to figure out what Bitcoin is worth. Is it worth $1 million right now? Probably, but people haven't really caught on yet, okay? So that's why I don't think we're going to $1 million this bull market. But I do think we're probably going to top around $150,000 to $200,000. But I've already taken profit. And you know what? I would suggest that if you're stressed out of your mind right now, maybe best to ease off on your portfolio a little bit. Maybe next bump or whatever, take some out. Because I mean, if I was stressed and I couldn't sleep and I was miserable and I was just like hated life or whatever because number didn't go up only, then I would probably sell a little bit here. And then just relax. Once you have a little bit off, then you can relax. If it goes down another 20%, who cares? Who gives a crap? For me, I'm in for the long run. I hope you are too. But before I end, you got to listen to this. Tomorrow, I'm going to come out with a video that shows you the history of bull market corrections. It's going to ease probably a ton of people, because a lot of people think this is like the end of the world. It's not. And I'm going to explain all that to you. And I've been saying this is the easiest bull market ever. And tomorrow it's going to make perfect sense. Okay? Talk to you guys soon.